Okay, the next figure that we're going to look at is we're going to again find the lateral and total surface area, and this time it's going to be of a triangular prism. Now I will say triangular prisms are probably the toughest. Now the first thing in our column, it says lateral surface area formula. So if we look at our formula chart, we're still talking about a prism. So lateral surface area is still S equals pH. S equals pH. Okay, the total surface area formula. It is still a prism, and so it's still the same as a rectangular prism. So it's S equals pH plus 2B. It's really important that we find these formulas and we write them down. Now, what shape is the base? This time, since it's a triangular prism, the first name tells you what the base is. So the base is a triangle. A lot of times we want to say rectangle because it's sitting on it, but the triangle, the first name, is what the shape of the base is. Okay? So let's go ahead and let's draw our base here. This is a right triangle, and let's label all the sides. This is 6. The base is 8, and notice this diagonal side, the hypotenuse, that is 10. So there's our triangle. Okay, our next column says to find the perimeter of the base, which remember is adding all the sides. Okay, so let's add up all these sides. 6 plus 10 plus 8. 16 plus 8 is 24. So the perimeter of the base is 24 yards. Okay, the next one is the area formula. And this is where we tend to mess up with a triangle. Okay, so on a triangle, the area formula is 1/2 base times height. 1/2 base times height. Or you can also say base times height divided by 2. Okay, whichever way is easiest for you. So let's look at our triangle here. 1/2, okay, the base is 8. The height has to be a 90-degree angle, so the height is 6. Okay, so this would be 1/2 times 48, which is 24. And remember, this is our capital B in our formula. And then our height of our figure, remember the height of the figure has to go from base to base, one triangle to the next. So the height is 16. So I'm going to put 16 right here. Okay, so now we're ready to do our formulas. So we have lateral surface area, S equals pH. Well, we already found our perimeter to be 24. We know our H is 16, so all I have to do is 24 times 16, which is 384 square yards. That is our lateral surface area. Okay? And then for total surface area, we're just going to do the pH again, plus 2 times the area of the base. So just so you can see our numbers, the perimeter was 24, the height is 16, plus 2, and we found the area of our base to be 24. So look, it happened to be the same as the perimeter. Okay, so we already know this is 384 plus 48, and I just kind of did it in pieces, but you could also plug it into your calculator all at once. It'd be 432 square yards for our total surface area.